Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. Last week, Nifty 50 was down by 645 points, almost 2.5% down. After the market close, BPCL reported a net profit of 7,188 crores in October-December quarter, which is 88% higher from the previous year. JSW Steel reported a net profit of 2,410 crores in October-December quarter, which is 235% higher from the previous year. Now, let's talk about India's manufacturing PMI that rose to 56.8 in Jan versus 55 in December. Services PMI rose to 59.3 versus 58 in December. Composite PMI manufacturing plus services rose to 59.5 in January versus 57.8 in December. This means economic activity grew more in Jan than in December. Very important data, India's forex reserves rose by 14.17 billion US dollar to 701.36 billion in the week that ended on Jan 16. I need not to say कि अरोरा स्केल लेवल्स की जो परफॉर्मेंस रही ऑन गिफ्ट निफ्टी, US 30, gold, silver, US 100, US 500, that was beyond imagination. It worked very, very well. All the support and resistance levels. अब सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन कि क्या 2026 भी 2025 की तरह परफॉर्म कर पाएगा? अगर फंडामेंटल्स की बात करूं तो इंटरेस्ट रेट कट or controlled inflation and higher earnings, all three are supporting the rally. Only issue is compared to 2025, in 2026 most of the investors are long and ready to take the risk or ready to invest in risky assets. Now any flash of bad news can shake the overbought markets, but in last, fundamentals are going to win. In net, अगर मैं कहूँ कि in 2026 there is a possibility of sharp and large moves, so that can be a real picture of 2026. Let's see what's going to happen in times to come and how this year's going to shape up. With lots of love, blessings, happy trading, happy investing to all my students.